Roblox video. Today we're playing Roblox Fleet of Facility with Jenny. Hey, that's not nice. I'm just watching Jenny rage. Jenny. No, I forgot to jump. No, Jenny. No. You get to a boot hole. Okay, it looks like we're standing around as the survivor. What are you?
I'm in the main room.
Okay. Oh, there's two in here. Hey, Jenny.
I love trolling.
Stop it. Stop. Okay, wait. Yeah, Jenny hack. No. No. I told you. What the heck?
You decided to flop around.
No, I did not say to flop around. Oh, stink. Oh, he got someone. He got someone. Wait. He got someone. Go, Bluebell. She got caught again. Ooh, gosh. Jenny, we need help saving. Ooh. Jenny, why are you not saving her? Go, girl, go. I saved her. It's because I juked him. Come on, Jenny, attack. Hey, dude. Oh, he went for you. No, no. Oh, I'm trying to get out of this way. No. Help me now. Help me. Help. Jenny! Come on. Let me move. Okay, guys, Jenny went somewhere, so I don't think you can hear her anymore. Come on, get up, Jenny, get up. Jenny, get up. No. Where are you gonna go, Jenny? Where are you gonna go? Where are you? Hey! What's wrong with you? Oh, Jenny, you're so mean. So mean. Now we're both gonna die. No,
I don't think that.
no, 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 no.
Shut the
Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Shut the door, shut the door. Oh, it's easy. Run, Jenny. Run. Is there any in there?
Yes.
Okay. Well, we found the last computer, technically. Jenny, can you not troll? You nearly made us die. Stop. What if the guy gets near? I'm not trolling you. What did I ever do to you?
Everything.
This is all your fault. Jenny! Stop! No, Jenny! Stop being so mean. Jenny's being mean, everyone. Nope. 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 I know where it is, but bye. You're gonna troll me again, I know it. Uh, go, 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 go. I shut all the doors. I'm not making us lose. Jenny, run! Jenny, run! Escape, Bluebell. Escape. Go. Escape, Jenny. Escape. I bet I know why he targeted you earlier. You're the highest level.
No!
Did everyone leave? I see him.
Uh-oh.
No, he got the other person.
That's why you should escape when you have to, and not be stupid.
Is he camping? Yes, he definitely is. No! No! Go, 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 go. Girl, what are you doing? Oh! No! No, no, no! I'm sorry, girl, but I bet you're gonna die.
What is she doing?
Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Oh my gosh, what are you waiting for? You're just standing there. It's supposed to run. Okay, let's get to the next round. I'm getting a revenge on him. And I'm gonna camp him. My woman face is so. My face is so trustworthy. Look at my face. My face is so cute. Looks like we're going in Homestead. Jenny, we're going in Homestead.
What's wrong with
Who's
that?
a beast? It's not me. it's that girl. It's that girl. Are you serious? Wait, let me make all my escape routes. She's not she's not AFK, that's all I know. Oh, look at that dude. The camper. And then he messes up. Come on, guys. We got to escape.
Go on the roof.
Okay, let's go on the roof. I'm shut the door. There's none on the roof. Are you serious? Come on, let's check in this house. Nope. Oh gosh. Jenny, get down. Are you serious?
Yeah.
How? Did you get down so fast? Oh, Bluebell's AFK. No trolling. No messing up. No, it's because you're gonna mess up. But then she's gonna come. No, she's coming. I saw her. Oh, Jenny, get down so she could just get Bluebell. She's AFK. Nope, nope. Shoot, shoot, shoot. Hey, I didn't mess up. Oh, well, I'm gonna just get my credits real quick. Don't worry, I have my idea set. Oh no, she brought you to a different place. Where's she bringing you? I'm coming, Jenny. Let's bring her back to the barn so she can get that other girl. There is a computer in the barn. Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. Uh-oh, yeah. Oh, hurry! Get her in! Jenny, run! Why is she after you? Oh. Let's just hack right here and leave that girl.
Oh, she's coming.
She thinks, yeah, I think she does too. Ooh, go! She's coming! And she's getting her again.
Yeah. Do we leave Bluebell or not?
Let's just leave her. She's AFK. Until she comes.
We don't have to. Do not have. Please.
Okay, we'll see you and find an exit. Hey guys, looks like we're here now. And bye. Well, that is gonna be end of this one little video because Bluebell is AFK. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.